everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. And I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen the title. It is a moving out vlog, so we are moving out again. I have literally left counting how many times we have moved so far in Australia. I think I've never moved so much from one house to another in my whole life, as much as I've done here in a couple of years in Australia. And it is so hard. I'm fed up of moving because it is so difficult when you are just, you know, the two of you, and you don't really get any help and you have to pack up everything. It's like packing up is still fine, but unpacking really takes a toll on me because I really am an OCD. Like, I'm a person who has OCD, and I want everything to be really nice and clean and, you know, organized and this and that. So I have to do everything by myself. Even if my husband helps me at times, I'm like, you know what, I think I can do it better. So I end up doing like most of the work, but I am done venting out. I'm so sorry, I just vented out on you guys in the beginning of the vlog, but you know what my frame of mind is right now. I've just come back from work, so before you guys ask a lot of questions, the lockdown situation here in Australia has not been as you know, strict as India, because past couple of weeks Australia has been doing really well with the whole corona situation and social distancing and lockdown. So the number of cases have gone really low, and the government from this weekend is also easing out the lockdown. So as in, like, there are a lot of you know, new social distancing rules that the government is coming up with, and we have to abide that so we can, you know, still go to work and come back. And of course the number of days have reduced, but we are still going out of the house, out, you know, doing out and about. We are taking care of you know, maintaining the social distance while we are out. So it's not as bad as India, and that is why we are even able to move today. So I was at work, I came back, I took a shower because that has been my routine ever since this whole corona thing came out. Like, the minute we come home from outside, be it grocery shopping, be it, you know, our work, whatever, we have to take a shower. So I just took a shower. It is, I guess, already 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I came into the house and I saw that my husband had already started packing up a lot of things. So he has gone to drop off first load of you know, our stuff to the new house. So in case you have seen my you know, vlog that I shot right before going to India, I've shown you guys this whole house tour where we used to live before we went to India. When we came back, the house was already on lease, but we had good terms with the landlord. So you know, she informed us that another one, not the same place, but the one right next door was you know, available, and we jumped onto it because we loved that place so much, and we also love the landlady a lot. So we are finally moving to that house, and hopefully one day we will get our own place back too. So yeah, I'm just excited. In a way, it is a good thing that I am going to a better place where we really enjoyed, and everything was so convenient. The shops were very close by, bus stop was very near. If you don't know, I don't drive, I take the public transport to commute, and yeah, that place was really convenient for an everyday you know, for everyday traveling and everything. So yeah, we're gonna go to that place. Of course, I'm gonna give you the house tour, the empty house tour, and show you everything that we do. I've been talking for so long, I think I should take a break and let you guys breathe as well. So first off, we are gonna prepare some lunch because I'm really hungry, and even my husband's hungry. So I want to prepare lunch, you know, before he comes back, so we can have lunch and then do rest of the packing. I will also, if only I can talk, I will also show you how the house is looking right now. Like, it is so messed up. Let me show you what my husband did, okay? Ow! I dropped, you guys. Oh my god. Okay. Look at my hair. I catched you in the air. Like I catch the camera in the air. Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast. Okay, calm down. You're okay. Nothing happened to the camera. Let's see how the house is looking like. So we have boxes here. By the way, this was my kitchen. You still see my plates and stuff lying around. So one box, then that's the cleaning box. Then we have stuff everywhere. Look at that. Look at the shoe lying in the corner. But yeah, can you see the mess? Oh my god, that's me. Hi. And this was the bedroom. It is still fine. I mean, what can I do? We have to clean up everything. And yeah, that's the bathroom. It just, everything is so out of order and everything is out here. I'm freaking out, but I don't want to, because you know, I know we are gonna be okay. I should be fine. Anyways, yeah, this is where I came from. So I'm gonna prepare some lunch and hopefully I'll be better after I eat something. I get some food in my tummy. I won't be that as grumpy as I am right now. I'm really sorry for venting out so much. And yeah, let's change the mood. Let's get cooking. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing Okay, I said I'm gonna cook, but I can't find my belan. I guess I have to make rotis because I made bangan bharta last night. I just dyed my hair. So yeah, I made bangan bharta last night and I was thinking I'll make rotis, but I can't find the belan. I guess my husband has packed it already. Oh god, I have no... I really don't want to open these boxes up and look for a belan. Let's try and find in this one, because this is the only kitchen box that's open. Oh, there it is. Oh, my belan. Okay, we're not gonna die. We have food, we can make food. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing अपडेट so far. ये हमारे इतने बॉक्सेस और बैग्स हुए हैं, which again my husband's taking to the new place. Okay guys, so change of plans. आधी पैकिंग होने के बाद अब both of us are going to the new place because वहाँ पे इंडक्शन इंस्टॉल करने के लिए लोग आ रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए हमें वहाँ पे होना होगा ताकि घर खुला और वो आके काम कर सकें. So you see in the back we have like 2 or 3 suitcases, and then me and my husband are just driving to the new place. And वहाँ जाके देखते हैं कितनी साफ़ सफाई हुई हुई है, क्या सीन है. थोड़ी अनपैकिंग करने की कोशिश करेंगे जब तक वो लोग अपने इंडक्शन लगाएंगे. Let's see, that's the plan. So चलो, let's go. Hey guys, so those of you who have seen my India जाने वाला vlog would remember this road. So this is the house, and earlier we used to have this one with us right on the road, but this time, since somebody is already living in that side of the house, we are gonna get the middle portion, which is this one over here. Otherwise our main entry was this one before we went to India. But yeah, we are in the same house but in the different section of it. Let's go. Let's see. I've not seen this house empty, so this is my first time as well with you guys. Oh, mama! Spotted somebody living at this house before even we came. So this is the house, and this is where these guys are gonna install the new induction because the previous tenants were using this, I don't know, hot plate. And yeah, that's a giant fridge which has no light inside. It should have, it's not plugged in. Okay. And then we have this passage. There's lots of storage over here, and then there's one bathroom over there. This is one room that we have with us, and I guess this is gonna be our bedroom. But yeah, it has a mirror, and a study desk sort of thing. And this is the main road from where we came. That's somewhere there our car is parked. So yeah, and it has this huge window which I really like. I like all the natural light that we can get. And that's the room. The wardrobe is pretty old-fashioned, but never mind. I am happy as long as we have space, because the house that we were currently living in had like such a small wardrobe that me and my husband struggled literally putting our stuff in it. So this is one, and then we have another room here. This is room number 2. It again has a lot of storage space, like so much that I can actually fit into this wardrobe. And again, another big window, giant window. Let me try and yeah, that's the view. A lot of greenery outside. So with 2 rooms I have like extra space to clean, but yeah, this is the empty house that we are moving in. Since you know it is already quite clean, I think I can start, like, let me see if I can put you guys here. Okay, so since the house is like already quite clean, I think I can start unpacking a lot of stuff that we have, while you know these guys are putting the induction in the kitchen, because I think they're already here. I can hear, you know, somebody talking in the kitchen. But yeah, we are moving into a bigger space, a much bigger space. We actually don't even need like 2 bedrooms, but this was the only one available with our landlady, you know, our previous landlady. And we really like the location, as I said. So yeah, we're gonna move here. I am excited. I'm looking forward to this, and I think I should start unpacking and stop talking, because I've just been going on and on and on for ages.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess.
Okay you guys, so it is very late. I'm dead tired. It is 10:45 at night. We are almost done. You know, we've moved a lot of our stuff, and we've done the cleaning of this house. So whenever you leave a place, you know, the one that you're renting, you have to clean it before you move out. That's how things like works here in Australia. So we've cleaned the house, everything's done. I think just one more lot of stuff that has to be moved. So me and my husband are gonna take the things along with us, and I am gonna, sorry, you can't even see me, but I'm dead tired. So I'm gonna like unpack everything tomorrow. So I'm not ending the vlog here. You will still catch up with me tomorrow to see how I unpack and where I put everything. But for now, I will give you the tour of this empty house, how it looks. So that's the bathroom, it's all clean. That's the bedroom. So we have this giant mirror that needs to go in the car with us. Otherwise everything is nice and clean. All our furniture is gone. And then here I had my YouTube setup, which is lying around here, that my husband will take tomorrow. And then I've got like some kaach ka things that I couldn't like store in the box, so I'm gonna carry them in hand, in the car. And then this, yeah, pretty much everything's done. Just little bits and pieces here and there are left that we are gonna put in the car and go. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning, because I'm dead tired. We're just gonna pop everything wherever in the new house, and then I'll unpack everything tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. So it is the next day and I literally just woke up. I've just brushed my teeth and nothing else. I've not even washed my face, because I am just like, I have to get so many things done, so my brain is not able to relax. Like I'm like, get up, do the things, sort out the things, unpack the things. So I think only after I do the unpacking I'll be like mentally relaxed, and then I can figure out what I have to do throughout the day. I think the whole day is gonna go in unpacking only. So my husband's left for work and I am home alone, so I have the whole house to unpack myself. Last night we slept at around 12:30, because after we came here to the new place, we did a little bit of unpacking, like the essentials like bathroom stuff and everything, because we had to take a shower after all that messiness throughout the day. So yeah, let me show you what all we did and the number of boxes that I am gonna do today that are making me freak out. So let's get started. So we did set up our wardrobe the first. So this is going to be, this whole thing is going to be mine. So we were able to like set up pretty much all of this, and even here. So this was done last night, and then I'll show you my husband's. So he's gonna put all his clothes, because we have got so much space. We thought it'll be good to have some extra space for myself. Of course, he's got limited kapadas because he's a guy, and I've got a lot of them. So yeah, we did a little bit of this, and then in this room I've kept all the boxes that needs to, like all the things that needs to be here in this room. So I've brought like all the boxes that has all the stuff that goes in this room. So this one, that, this whole YouTube setup. So I'm planning to put my whole YouTube thing here. And then of course my mirror, look at that, it's just lying on the bed. My husband will come and fix it up tonight. And then here, I have to turn the power. Here I was able to like do a little bit of this, and the major thing I did was to put all my shoes. I finally have so much space for all my shoes, and to buy a little more. So I'm really excited. I did this. Of course the bathroom is set up like a little things, few things here and there, and then ta-da, welcome. This is what I have to do today. So we have to unbox like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I guess I don't know if I counted any or left anything, but yeah, about 9 or 10 boxes that needs to be unpacked today, and I am just freaking out. So I have to do it. Now last night I also put out like almost all of my glass ka crockery because I was too scared that something will break. So I've like taken out everything. And do you remember this space from yesterday? So there were 2 hot plates yesterday, but then they came in and they fixed you know, this whole induction thing here. They still have to connect it, so it's just stuck on the shelf on the counter, but it's still not working. So the guy is supposed to come today in the afternoon to get this going. And then I also did set up like a little bit of my fridge and everything as well. I have to do bunch of laundry, so I'm gonna pop everything in the laundry over there and then start unboxing. So let's go.
Over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing to real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior.
Okay you guys, so this is the progress so far. I finally got rid of all those boxes and everything that was here. I've tried to tidy up a bit, and we have all these boxes. Okay, camera focus, thank you. All the boxes are flattened, now I have to put them away. And here I have this box. Do you hear the music? I have my Google Home on. Hold on. Hey Google, stop. There you go. So yeah, I was listening to loud music and doing my work, but I have to get rid of this box. So all these are like my bed sheets, pillowcases, and you know, cushion covers and stuff that needs to go here. So I'm gonna fold everything in this box and put it away. Then here it looks the same because this is not my job. Like once the YouTube thing comes over here and the mirror is fixed, this room is gonna look okay. And then in here in my bedroom, I've got just one box that needs to be put away because this is all the things that I usually put on my side table there. So yeah, that's how the house is looking like so far. It's like I've done a lot. Like 80% of the house is fixed. Let me try and put you guys. Yay! I found a new spot. Anyways, I look like this because you know, no shower, no food, no water, just me walking around the house. But I'm really happy because I'm getting there. Like 80% of the job is done. All my clothes are washed. I've put them out for hanging. You know, all the boxes, everything is nicely packed and put away. All I got to do after I fold this bedsheet wala box is to clean the house, pretty much clean it, and I don't think I've got anything else to do around the house, like unpacking wala thing, because whatever will happen in the evening once my whole YouTube setup comes in. I'm excited and looking forward to that because I'm like, this will be the first time I'll have like a separate dedicated space where I can film and shoot my videos, and I don't have to use my bedroom, or I don't have to disturb my husband if he's home and I'm trying to film. So yeah, that's gonna be really nice and exciting, and we'll have more space when Nitika and her family comes over, because whenever they come, usually they end up staying overnight, and we would, you know, struggle like all of us in one bedroom house. So that's also exciting, that's also nice. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and listen to more music and do my work and catch up with you soon. Hey Google, play some Bollywood song.
Okay, check out this Bollywood music station on YouTube Music.
Anyway, so most of the things are already done. The house is like 90% set up. But I'm gonna do like something that is very, very satisfying to watch. So I'm pretty sure you guys are also gonna enjoy. So chalo. Ta-da! And just like that, I have brand new cabinets. I am so excited. So the progress. Kitchen is all nice and done, clean. The gallery is clean. Bathroom and toilets are also done. Bedroom's also nice and set. Just this room needs like, you know, work done. And we're gonna do that in the evening, of course, once my husband comes back home. Ooh, the lighting. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and enjoyed this funny face of mine, which has been going through so much lately, because of course I have no time for my skincare or even taking care of my skin. But I think tomorrow, since it's Saturday, I'm gonna you know, put some face mask or at least scrub my face, and you know, give some pampering that is required at this time. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Of course, it was not easy at all. The whole thing that you see in 10 minutes took us like, I don't know, more than 48 hours to finish, and it's still not finished yet. But yeah, let me know if you would want to see a house tour once everything is set up, because after this I am gonna take a shower and go to the mall, because I have to buy like some really essential things for house, like doormats. My mop is broken, so I have to buy a new mop and things like that. But I am gonna furnish it like completely, I guess, over the weekend. So let me know if you would want to see a house tour once it's all done, because obviously this room is not set up. Or would you just like me to show you this room when we set up? Let me know in the comments what you think. But of course, something or the other is gonna come up soon on my channel. Thank you for watching this vlog. Thank you for staying with me in, you know, all the things that I keep doing. And I know you guys are so, like, I really like it when you guys you know, watch my vlogs, because other videos can be just normal videos, but vlogs are like my very, very personal you know, things and details and situations and happenings that I share with you, and I really enjoy when you guys watch it. So thank you so much for that, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye.